Percy, those are some fantastic shapes.
Diesel! You ruined my art.
Art, you say? I see you've guessed our train school lesson. Today's focus is on arts and crafts. I hope you're all ready to get creative.
I'm not.
Achoo! Well, I'm absolutely excited to make something new. When can we start?
Follow me if you want to learn.
A train school day, a train school day, a little learn, a little play. All the engines on their way, it's Thomas, Percy, Mia, hey! Who knows what we'll learn today? Can Diesel guess, can kinda say? A train school day, a train school day, what will we learn today?
This recycling plant? But it's just lots of junk.
Actually, many wonderful things can be created by recycling old, unwanted materials and turning them into something new and exciting.
Like this art?
Precisely. Take a look at this, all made from recycling. We've shared these materials with us so you can make sculptures.
Fun! I love art!
This day is going to be great!
Well, what are you waiting for?
Why is it so hard to pick the perfect material? Oh! Well, that wasn't hard at all.
I've got a great idea for this.
Diesel, you need a great idea for something else. This is mine! Even if I don't know what to use it for yet.
Hey, I found it first. Hey, what's got you two worked up?
Thomas, please tell Diesel that I need my wheel for my project.
You don't have an idea yet. I do. I don't have all the details figured out, but I have the idea.
But the only way we can both have them is if we work together. With Diesel's big ideas and my eye for detail, maybe
we can find a Diesel and Percy perfect solution.
Well done, everyone. You made art. Now let's have a look at what you've created.
Ooh!
I recycled pipes into musical art.
These signs are too worn to be on the road, but they're just right to be on track.
It was the fastest animal I could think of.
Diesel or Percy, you're next.
How about Diesel and Percy?
Why did you two partner up and share your sculpture?
At first, we weren't sharing at all because we both wanted the bike wheel for our sculptures.
Then Thomas helped us realise we could both use a wheel if we work together.
Oh my! You two learned that by sharing, you could create something amazing together. Now we can all share the duty of decorating Whiff's recycling plant with your beautiful sculptures.
Woohoo! Yay! Hey! That looks good!